What's poppin'? My name's Jason with JJ's Gardens, and welcome to my garden. Alright, you've caught me at a slightly busy time right now, but oh! I remember now. I have a big proposition for you. Oh, I thought you were gonna ask if you wanted to see it, sorry. My bad. Would you like to see it though? Sure, I'm gonna show you. If you have seen our last video, you will know that we got a ton of tomatoes for absolutely free. I'm not gonna be able to eat all those tomatoes. So I created this. If you look down, you will see all these delectable tomatoes, full, well potted, with high grade soil for you, if you are interested. Follow these challenges, these steps, and you can get one of these for absolutely free. There are simple rules in this game. All you need to do is be subscribed to the channel, DM me it on the Instagram, JG_Nursery, and I will send you a word. You comment that word, you get tomato. The first 5 to do so are going to be eating good tonight.
Is it worth it?
What did you just say?
Is it worth it?
Of course it's worth it! I'm sorry. Is that the sound of someone who doesn't like free food? Sorry, excuse me, because that's what it sounds like if you're not willing to hop on this beautiful deal of all these free tomato plants. So do yourself a favor, take a picture, and show me that you are subscribed and have liked the channel. Send it to the Instagram, I will send you that word, and if you're the first 5, you get one of these 5 tomato plants. And maybe next time I see you, it'll be posting a nice Instagram pic next to your tomato plant. Alright? Alright? We just not gonna be answering questions. Alright. See you guys. Peace.